Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Indian English literature. आज हम मेन जो ऑथर्स हैं और उनके जो इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क्स हैं उनके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. So let's start. Early history began with the work of Henry Louis, Viviana de Rosio, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, R. N. Tagore, Shri Aurobindo, R. K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Roy. ये सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट ऑथर्स थी ऑफ इंडियन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. सो द हिस्ट्री. द फर्स्ट बुक रिटन बाय एन इंडियन इन इंग्लिश वाज द ट्रैवल ऑफ डीन मोहम्मद, ए ट्रैवल नैरेटिव बाय शेख डीन मोहम्मद, पब्लिश्ड इन इंग्लिश 1794. सेकेंड है बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय इन 1838 to 1895 wrote Raja Ram Mohan wife and published in 1864 first Indian novel written in English. Raja Ram Mohan's wife was first Indian novel written in English by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 38 to 1904. लाल बिहारी डे ने गोविंदा, समंथा और द हिस्ट्री ऑफ बंगाली Rayat, published in 1874, Folk Tales of Bengal, Life of Secret, published in 1912. Bianca or the English Spanish Maiden by Toru Dutt was the first novel written by an Indian woman. Next है Satyanand's autobiographical novel, A Story of Native Christian Life, published in 1877 to 1888. Other novel published by Satyanathan was Kamla, The History of an Hindu Life in 1894. Raja Roy in 1800. The lifespan of Raja Roy was 1908 to 206. Authored Kanthapura and the Serpent and the Rope. It is the most important work of Raja Roy. Kesari Mohammed Ganguly translated the Mahabharata into English. Dhan Gopal Mukherjee in 1890 to 1936 was first Indian author to win a literary award in US. Next है Nirad C. Chaudhary in 1897 to 1999, best known for his work The Autobiography of an Unknown Indian in 1951, in which he relates his life experiences and influence. P. Lal in 1929 to 210 founded a press in 1950 for Indian English Writing and Writers Workshop. यानी कि ब्रिटिश राज में क्या होता था कि उन्हें जो इंडियन राइटर्स होते थे उनको अपनी बुक्स पब्लिश करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी. दैट्स वाई पी लाल फाउंडेड अ प्रेस फॉर इंडियन राइटर्स. रामनाथ कंक wrote his autobiography in Autumn Leaves. R. K. Narayan, lifespan of R. K. Narayan was 1906 to 2001, created the fictitious town of Malgudi where he spent his novel. It means R. K. Narayan's novels has a place Malgudi where he set his novel. In which place he set his our novels. Mulk Raj Chandra 1905 to 2004 wrote his story, but his stories was harsher, engaged brutally division of caste, class and religion. Salman Rushdie, important writers, wrote his famous work Beta and Children, very important work of Salman Rushdie. Nayantara Sahaguli, first female Indian writers in English. She won in 1986 Sahitya Akademi Award for her novel Rich Like Us, which was wrote in 1985. Anita Desai, very important Indian author in English literature, also received Sahitya Akademi Award in 1978 for her novel Fire on the Mountain. British Guardian Prize for the novel The Village by the Sea. And Anita Desai's daughter Kiran Desai won 2006 Man Booker Prize for her second novel The Inheritance of Laws. Ruskin Bond received Sahitya Akademi Award for his collection of short story. The name was Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra in 1992. He was author of his historical novel A Flight of Pigeons, which is based on episode during the Indian Revolution of 1857. Vikram Seth, author of The Golden Gate, which was published in 1986, and A Suitable Boy in 1984, a self-confessed fan of Jane Austen. Amitav Ghosh is the author of The Circle of Region, which was published in 1986, The Shadow Lines in 1988, The Calcutta Chromosomes in 1995, The Glass Place 200, The Hungry Tribe 2004, Sea of Poppies 2008, the first volume of the Illers trilogy, and River of Smoke in 2011, the second volume of the Ibis trilogy. It means first volume of the Ibis trilogy and the second volume of Ibis trilogy was The River of Smoke. Rohinton Mistry is an Indian-born Canadian author. His first book was Tale from Firozshah Bagh in 1987, and he composed a collection of 11 short stories and named it Such a Long Journey in 1991 and also A Fine Balance in 1995. Shashi Tharoor in his The Great Indian Novel in 1989 follows his storytelling mode. Vikram Chandra, his first novel, Red Earth and Pouring Rain in 1995, and collection of short story which name was Love and Longing in Bombay 1997. Vikram C. Chandra is a renowned journalist and the author of the Srinagar Conspiracy in 2000. Suketu Mehta authored Maximum City in 2004, and it is an autobiographical account of his experience in Mumbai. Arvind Adiga authored The White Tiger. Arundhati Roy won Booker Prize in 1997 for The God of Small Things. Called herself a homegrown writer's book is set in physical landscape of Kerala. What is the meaning of homegrown writer? It means she didn't go to a school, वह कभी स्कूल नहीं गई, घर पर ही उन्होंने अपनी पूरी पढ़ाई करी. एंड द बुक द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग इज सेट इन फिजिकल लैंडस्केप ऑफ केरला. David Deviter set is The House of Blue Mangoes in Tamil Nadu. Shri Kumar Verma in his novel Lament of Mohini 2000 touch upon the unique matriarchal system and the Sambandham system of marriage. Arnav Jan Deka wrote about both physical and ethereal ascensionalism on the banks of Brahmaputra. He co-authored with British poet novelist Tess Joyce in A Stanza of Sunlight on the Banks of Brahmaputra in 1983. It means A Stanza of Sunlight on the Bank of Brahmaputra is written by two writers, Arnav Jandeka and British poet and novelist Tess Joyce. And Arnav Jandeka's recent book is Brahmaputra and Beyond, linking Assam to the world in 2015, made a conscious effort to connect the world despite the division. It means this work is basically to connect the world despite the division. His short story collection named The Mexican Sweetheart and Other Stories, which was published in 2002. Janvi Barua, a Bangalore-based author from Assam, set her collection of short story Next Door, and last Ratan Lal Basu reflect the condition of tribal people and hill people of West Bengal. So it is all about the important authors in Indian English literature.